In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a 3 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops only. This is your first half-finished double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch and pull up a loop. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops only. You've completed your second half-finished double crochet and now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the same stitch again and pull up a loop. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops only. That gives you 3 half-finished double crochets and 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through all loops on the hook. And this is your 3 double crochet cluster.